Comparing stand mixers, VIVOHOME versus competitors. When selecting a stand mixer, the VIVOHOME Stand Mixer offers a compelling combination of power, capacity, and versatility. To illustrate its advantages, let's compare it with two competitors available on Amazon: the Seabury Electric Stand Mixer and the Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer. Powerful motor. Equipped with a 660W motor, it efficiently handles various mixing tasks, from whipping cream to kneading dough. 10 speed settings. Offers a range of speeds to accommodate different recipes, providing flexibility in mixing. Lightweight design. Weighing under 10 pounds, it's easy to move and store, making it suitable for kitchens with limited space. Bowl capacity. While adequate for many tasks, the bowl size may be limiting for larger batches or more extensive baking projects. Stability concerns. Despite anti-slip cups, its lightweight design may lead to less stability during heavy mixing tasks. Affordable price point. Offers a budget-friendly option for those seeking a stand mixer without a significant investment. Planetary mixing action. Ensures thorough mixing by rotating the beaters around the entire bowl. 7 speed options. Provides a variety of speed settings to handle different mixing needs. Lower power. With a less powerful motor compared to the VIVOHOME mixer, it may struggle with dense doughs or large batches. Plastic construction. The plastic build may be less durable over time compared to metal counterparts. Robust 660W motor. Delivers high performance, efficiently handling a wide range of mixing tasks, from delicate egg whites to heavy bread doughs. Generous 6-quart capacity. The large stainless steel bowl accommodates substantial batches, making it ideal for families or avid bakers. 10 speed settings with pulse function. Offers precise control over mixing processes, ensuring optimal results for various recipes. Tilt head design. Allows easy access to the bowl and attachments, simplifying the addition of ingredients and attachment changes. Comprehensive accessory set. Includes a beater, dough hook, wire whip, and egg separator, providing versatility for diverse baking and cooking tasks. Size and weight. The substantial build may require dedicated counter space and could be cumbersome to move frequently. Noise level. Some users have reported that the mixer operates at a higher noise level, which might be a consideration for noise-sensitive environments. While the Seabury and Hamilton Beach mixers offer notable features, the VIVOHOME Stand Mixer distinguishes itself with its powerful motor, large capacity, and comprehensive accessory set. For those seeking a versatile and robust stand mixer capable of handling a wide array of culinary tasks, the VIVOHOME mixer presents an excellent choice.